Okay, students, now we are going to do workbook, page 65, question 1. Workbook, page 65, question 1. We look at the instruction. It says read and complete. Read and complete. So you are going to read these sentences and then you have to fill in the blanks using these words here. Now, first of all, do you understand or know these words? For example, tent, squirrels, metal, plastic, peanuts, jar, or paper. Do you know what is it? If I said tent, a tent, can you imagine the picture of a tent in your mind? Okay. If you do not know the meaning, you can always do some revision on your student books, and I believe all these words you have learned before. You just try to find it out and then refresh your memory. Okay, anyway, I will give you a short explanation on the meaning of all these words here. So first of all, tent. What is a tent? A tent is a small house, or we don't call it a small house. It is a shelter. Yeah, it is a shelter that you make when you are camping. You know, camping, when you are camping, you make a small house. Okay, actually we don't call that a small house. It is not a house. It is a shelter where you pitch. We use the word pitch. It means make, where you make or pitch when you are camping. Alright, you get it? 10. Alright, now let us look at the next word, squirrels. Squirrels, yes, squirrels is an animal. It's an animal. It is small, and then it climbs trees. And then it can climb tree fast. It can run fast. Alright? Alright, metal. We look at the other word, metal. What is metal? You know steel? Steel. Okay, such as steel, it is hard and strong. A metal is hard. It's always hard and strong. Okay, now we come to plastic. What is a plastic? Plastic, okay, for example, plastic bag. Plastic bag, alright? When you tap out and then you put your food inside the plastic bag. Or some people, they like to put some flowers inside their house, but it is made of plastic, so it is a plastic flowers. It is beautiful, but it is a plastic flowers. All right. Okay, peanuts. Peanuts. What is peanuts? It's a kind of fruit. Yeah, it's a fruit. It has a thin brown shell. Okay, when you eat peanuts, you have to open the thin brown shell. We don't eat that shell, but we eat the fruit inside. That is called peanuts. All right, next, jar. Jar. Okay, a jar is a glass, or sometimes it is made of clay for storing food. For storing food. All right. Now, last one, paper. I hope I don't have to remind you on this one. Paper. For example, a piece of paper. I always mention you write on a piece of paper, so you know what is paper. Okay. All right. So what you're going to do now is to read and then fill in all these blanks. Yeah, fill in all these blanks. Okay, you can have 5 to 10 minutes if you do not know the terms, the words here. What is or what are their meanings? You have to find out from the book. Okay, 5 to 10 minutes. You try to finish this one, write down the answer, and then after the pause, I will show you the answer so you can compare if your answer or how many answer have you got it correct. Are you ready? So pause the video now. Pause the video now. Alright, I believe you have finished. 5 minutes has over. I think you have all the answers. Now we check the answer. All right. The first one is jar. You can decorate an old jar and make a pencil holder. Okay, recycle. Yeah, jar. An old jar. So number 2, when you go camping, you sleep in a tent. The small house, in a tent. All right. Now squirrels are small brown or gray animals. They live in forests and parks, and they like peanuts. They like to eat peanuts. Number 4, we can use old plastic bottles to make new bottles, shoes, and clothes. Number 5, don't throw old books in the rubbish bin. We can recycle paper. Yes, we can recycle empty metal cans of soft drink. All right, check your answer. You can pause your video, the video now, so that you can check your answer one by one. If it is wrong, use pencil, put a cross, and then write the correct answer beside. Yeah, use a pencil to make a cross and then write the correct answer beside. All right, now pause the video now to make your correction. Okay, thank you very much.